Joint pain after 60 often starts quietly, then slowly steals comfort, confidence, and freedom. Morning stiffness lasts longer, simple movements hurt more, and walking or climbing stairs feels uncertain. Many seniors fear losing independence, not because of age, but because joints no longer cooperate. Doctors often explain that chronic inflammation inside the joints is a major reason pain worsens with time. What surprises many people is that everyday cooking oils can either feed this inflammation or help calm it. Small choices in the kitchen may quietly decide whether joints feel stiff and painful or smoother and more flexible over time. If this topic matters, consider subscribing for clear, senior-focused health guidance grounded in research and doctor's advice. A like helps these videos reach others dealing with joint pain, and a comment shares what concerns matter most. Small daily choices add up, and trusted information can help protect movement and independence. Item 1. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is widely recommended by doctors because chronic inflammation plays a major role in joint pain after 60. As joints age, ongoing low-level inflammation can damage cartilage, increase stiffness, and make movement painful. Research on Mediterranean diets often highlights olive oil because it contains natural compounds like oleocanthal, which some scientists compare to mild anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds may help calm irritated joints instead of fueling swelling. For many seniors, using extra virgin olive oil regularly is linked to smoother movement and less morning stiffness. Studies suggest it may support joint comfort by reducing inflammatory signals that worsen pain over time. Doctors often explain that when inflammation stays lower, joints tend to feel more flexible and less tender during daily activities like walking or standing. Long-term joint comfort matters more than quick relief. Extra virgin olive oil fits well into this approach because it supports joints gently, day after day, without harsh effects. Over time, this steady support may help preserve mobility and make everyday movement feel easier and more reliable. Item 2. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is often suggested for aging joints because cartilage naturally thins and dries out after 60, making movement feel rough and uncomfortable. Doctors explain that joints need proper lubrication to glide smoothly, and without it, stiffness and pain become more noticeable. Avocado oil contains healthy fats that may support this lubrication process while helping the body absorb important nutrients linked to joint and bone health. Research shows that avocado oil can improve the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients, which matters as digestion becomes less efficient with age. Better nutrient delivery means joints and surrounding tissues may receive more of what they need to stay resilient. Many seniors also tolerate avocado oil well, as it is gentle on the stomach and less likely to cause digestive discomfort compared to heavier fats. Over time, supporting lubrication and nutrient absorption together can help joints feel less tight and more flexible. Doctors often note that when joints move more smoothly, daily activities become easier and confidence in movement slowly returns. Item 3. Cold-pressed coconut oil. Cold-pressed coconut oil is sometimes discussed by doctors when addressing stiffness and discomfort linked to low-grade inflammation in older joints. As people age, mild but constant inflammation can make joints feel tight, sore, and slow to loosen up. In small amounts, coconut oil contains fatty acids that may help support energy levels and reduce some inflammatory stress in the body, which can indirectly affect joint comfort. Some research suggests that these fats may provide a steady source of energy for muscles around the joints, helping movement feel less exhausting. When muscles support joints better, stiffness may feel less intense. However, doctors clearly warn that moderation is essential after 60 because coconut oil is high in saturated fat, and too much may strain heart health. Used carefully and in small quantities, cold-pressed coconut oil can play a supportive role rather than act as a solution. It may gently ease discomfort, but it is not a cure, and balance remains critical for long-term joint and overall health.